Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing the vanilla ice cap from Tim Hortons. So this one comes with whipped cream on the top, which I think is great. I was so surprised when I got this and I saw there's whipped cream on it. Normal ice caps are good enough on their own, but having a vanilla one with whipped cream on top, that is just amazing. So I want to get into this one here. They roughly have around 300 to 400 calories. Not sure how much the whipped topping is going to add, but it's going to add a little bit of calories. And I'll try the whip here. This is different than other places. Interesting. That whipped cream is kind of like a vanilla flavor. I don't know if that's intentional or if it was just like how it tastes, but this is good already. Just from the whipped cream topping alone. I already did a review of the Tim Hortons light ice cap. This one is the vanilla ice cap, so it's got a little bit more flavoring in it, more calories because the cream, it's not going to be using milk, and it's going to taste different because of that. So wow, vanilla ice cap, already just amazing. Strong vanilla flavor, and it's cold. And if you guys see my other iced coffee or any drink reviews, you're going to know that I love vanilla flavoring in iced drinks. So already so good. Yeah, it's like thick, creamy, and good. This obviously tastes better than the light ice cap because it's going to be having more of the cream and sweeteners and stuff like that to give it that flavor. And it's amazing. I'm actually impressed that they also got whipped cream on it. It tastes really good. I'm impressed. I never had a vanilla ice cap before, but I'm excited that I did today because this is so good. Yeah, that's amazing. So an ice cap's kind of like a slush, an ice cream, or not ice cream, coffee slushy. It's like kind of a smoothie-like consistency there. The bottom is all like liquid coffee, so you can see where the ice starts there. You don't want to drink all the bottom stuff first before you finish this, because when that happens, this is just like literal ice and not as good. So you want to drink these slow, make sure that you're drinking it all the way through, not just drinking the bottom stuff out. So yeah, this vanilla ice cap's amazing. I'll give it one more sip and I'll give my final review here. Yeah, it's so strong. And there's a lot of cream in this, I think, because it's kind of a thicker liquid than the other one that I've had. So yeah, with the vanilla ice cap from Tim Hortons, I'm gonna give that an 8.5. It tastes amazing. I really like that it's got whipped cream on top too. Strong vanilla flavor. It's thick with the cream in it, and a nice cappuccino. It's nice, real good. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.